Hello everyone, welcome back to a brand new Tech Reviews and Gadgets episode where today we're reviewing a portable 5000 milliamp fast charger. And you guys are currently watching CrewElite. Today's episode, we're taking a look at the VRURC portable 5000 milliamp charger. And what I like about this charger is it's very compact, it's very portable, and you can take this on the go. And essentially, it's a charger that you can utilize for Android or iOS devices. In our case, we have the Android version, and I have it in various different colors you can actually choose from. And the cool thing about this charger is it has a portable kickstand. So what that means is you can actually have your phone on top of this charger and then have your phone kind of kickstanded up or on its side, depending on what kind of configuration you want to do. As always, product information, specifications, and details will be listed down below in the video description, alongside with the link to make a purchase if you're interested in buying this portable USB-C charger. But right now, what we're going to do is actually move over to the first look and unboxing portion of this video. Here is the packaging of the portable 5000 milliamp fast charger. And on the back of the box, there's a few specifications and details about this charger. But now, let's get cracking inside this box. Here is the user manual for this fast charger, and this user manual has a lot of specifications and details about this charger. We also get included with a USB Type-A to USB Type-C charging cable. But now, let's take a look at the main highlight of this video, and that is the portable charger itself. The charger itself has a nice sophisticated design to it. I do like the foldable kickstand that they included on the backside, and they also protected the port so that you don't accidentally damage it when you do take this capsule on the go. So right here I have all three of the chargers kind of laid out in front of the camera, and I do like how they did include that charging cable, so once this is dead, you can easily charge it back up, or you can utilize this cable to supply pass-through charging through this portable charger as well. And there is a kickstand like I showed you guys. You can easily open up that kickstand, and now you can have it standing up, and all of these do have the kickstand capabilities. And then right here I do like how the USB-C port is not exposed. You can cover it up with that cover that they added, because essentially this is a portable charger, and in most cases you're probably going to have this in your pocket or you're going to have this in your backpack, and you don't want to damage the USB-C port. So all that's left to do is we're going to probably just test out one in the video, since they all do the same thing. And what I'm going to do is actually let's test out the gray one. I'm going to put these ones off to the side. I'm going to grab my phone here. We're just going to do a quick little demonstration of this portable charger. Let me just clear out my notifications here, and we're just going to plug this in, and let's see if it will actually charge up my device. So let me plug this in right here. There we go. And you can see it says 63 watts quick charge. And what I like about it is, look, boom, I can set it down, and now we have it standing upright. I know you guys can't see that with the glare of all my lights, but you can see it is doing a quick charge of my devices right now. And let's say if I did want it to do pass-through charging, all I need to do is take, for instance, extension cable, put it off to the side right here, and then we can just take one of these charging cables, and I can plug in that USB port into my extension cable, and then plug in that USB Type-C cable or port through this, and now I'm getting pass-through charging with this portable charger. So essentially now it's just going to supply with infinite power. And what I like about it is, since it has that stand, you can always have your phone upright and also have it charging at all times. Especially if your phone doesn't have wireless charging or anything like that. This could be a really good alternative for that use. But let me actually unplug that cable here. And what I'm going to do is put this extension cable back down. And I want to show you that you can also have this in this configuration as well. So if you wanted to stand your phone like this and kind of watch like a video or movie, you can have it in that landscape mode as well. So it's really nice to see that you are able to either have it in landscape mode and have your phone still charge, or you can have it in its normal portrait mode and just have it, standing upright like this. And depending on your, how heavy your phone is or how heavy your case is, it may be a little difficult for it to stand up. But in my case, it is really, it's not having any issues actually holding up my phone. I can start using my phone as if I would, with a normal stand. So overall, it is very functional. Additionally, with this portable charger, there is a dedicated power switch, and that power switch can be utilized to actually turn off this portable charger when you're not using it, and that way you can actually conserve power as well. And I can quickly show you guys that. So if I hold on to this, we should see the power actually turn off. So let me just click on it. Let me hold down for a few seconds maybe. Let me try again. Double click. Okay, looks like you need like double tap. So right now it's not charging up my phone, but if I click it, you'll see my phone will start booting up and it's going to give me that charging animation. And you can see it's at 65% right now. So you are able to actually turn on and off this portable charger, especially when you're not utilizing it. So, one of my final opinions and remarks about this VRURC portable 5000 milliamp charger. Well, as you guys saw with my quick little demonstration, this is a very convenient product, especially if you ever, charge a lot of devices at the same time and utilize it, especially like your phone. You can have this type of charger so you can kind of still get that effect. And then with that pass-through charging, you have the ability to basically constantly feed power through the device you have connected to this portable charger. And what I like about it is 5,000 milliamps is a lot. 5,000 milliamps in this nice compact design is really, really neat. And my phone is actually 5,000 milliamps. So essentially, I should be able to charge my phone from 0 to 100% fully with one of these fully charged up. If you did enjoy this episode, I would greatly appreciate it if you went down below and hit that subscribe button and also turn on post notifications on to get updates and alerts when we do upload. Have any questions or concerns, leave a comment, enjoy the video, leave a like, and also share this video to anybody who may be interested in any portable charger. Like I did mention, there is a Lightning alternative, for this charger. It's not just USB-C, so if you have an Apple device, you are able to utilize that version for those devices. As always, product information, specifications, and details will be listed down below in the video description, alongside with the link to make a purchase if you're interested in buying any of these products. Thank you all for tuning in to this episode of Tech Reviews, Gadgets, and More. I had a blast making this video, and I hope to see you all on the next episode. CrewElite signing off. Thank you all for watching, and have a good rest of your day.